New for 2018. Uconnect 3 radio with a 5.0-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth network, and a rear-view camera are presently standard highlights for the new model year. Sliding and indirect access window grates are presently accessible in cargo vans without segment. Vehicle summary. The ProMaster-CITY is one of 2 business vans offered by Ram, opening beneath the bigger and more costly Ram ProMaster. Diagram. Controlling the front drive 2018 ProMaster-CITY is a 178 horsepower, 174 pounds-to-foot of torque 2.4-liter i4 motor supported by a 9-speed programmed. EPA appraised efficiency comes in at 21/28 of a mile per gallon city, parkway. In the freight van design, the ProMaster-CITY can tow up to 2,000 pounds and the Traveler wagon model can tow up to 1,914 pounds. Payload limit with regards to the freight van is 1,886 pounds and 1,760 pounds for the Traveler wagon. The van presents to 131.7 cubic feet of load limit in the freight van display and 101.7 cubic feet for the Traveler wagon. The payload van can suit 2 travelers and the wagon offers seating for 5. The 2018 Ram ProMaster-CITY comes standard with the already specified Uconnect 3 radio with a 5.0-inch touchscreen and Bluetooth availability. Accessible highlights incorporate sliding side entryways with settle door vented glass, rooftop rack with crossbars, warmed front seats with vinyl upholstery, a Mopar web Wi-Fi hotspot and a 6-speaker sound framework. There is likewise an accessible cargo partition bundle and a trailer tow mast that comprises of a Class 3 hitch recipient and 4 and 7 stick saddle. Security. Security highlights for the 2018 Ram ProMaster-CITY incorporate the standard front, knee, side, and window ornament airbags, a rear-view camera, and a tire weight checking framework. Raise stopping sensors and a affirmed roadside well-being unit are accessible. What we think. In a first drive audit of the 2015 Ram ProMaster-CITY, we preferred the fast off-the-line increasing speed on account of the short first apparatus and the smooth-moving 9-speed programmed. The motor gives a lot of energy, even with freight, however out of gear the van vibrates a ton. The City gives great mileage to this section and a decent ride when stacked on account of its completely autonomous suspension and a lot of capacity cubbies. The van likewise handles well around town yet has an unusual driving position, level directing haggle away pedals. It gets the blessing of this previous conveyance driver. It's anything but difficult to stack and dump, it's the correct size for most independent ventures, it gets great efficiency, it fits pleasantly through little back roads and tight parking garages, and it's even a touch of enjoyable to drive. In case you will drive a van throughout the day, you can do much more awful than this one, and you'd be unable to improve the situation. Cool fact. The Ram ProMaster-CITY van is worked in Bursa, Turkey at the Joint Wonder Tofas plant and is then upfitted into its last frame at the FCA US Transformation Center in Baltimore, Maryland.